I sound that good and shit. Boy start singing sounding just like the tape. Be shut up, man. What they do? It's your boy TJ Toots from the Treasure One. You already see I'm looking kind of crazy. Let me just take this out. Yeah, man, what they do. You already see the title. You see the thumbnail. It's your boy TJ Toots from the Treasure One. I've been at it now for about, I say like 3-4 hours. You know, I already did the top. I already did like this side of the back, and now I'm on this side. And you know, what I plan on doing is leaving these in for like a while. I'm talking like a month, maybe 2 months, and then just letting it lock up. You know what I mean? And taking it out, and then going and get a retwist and a style after that. All the while taking care of my scalp. You know what I'm saying? Taking care of my hair, making sure it's clean, making sure the scalp is clean and clarified and well moisturized and stimulated, so I can get that growth going. And then, you know, give me a fire look. God damn. And then go ahead and give me a twist. Damn. And then go ahead and give me a twist now. I don't even know of any video on YouTube where somebody started their own locks and then like showed y'all a progression. So this is me from literally like day one of my new lock journey. And just to take y'all back in time real quick, just a throwback, I did have locks for 7 years. Your boy had locks for 7 years, 7 long years. Them joints was down my back, you know what I'm saying? And you know, I cut them, it was just time, you know, new chapter in my life and all that. But now, you know, it's time to get back right, man. Time to get back, you know, and start a whole new journey. Cause that's really what it is. You know, I heard something that that was interesting the other day. They said that life is not a journey. Life is a, what the hell did he say?
Really, nigga?
Blueprint. Life is a blueprint, and all you really have to do is follow the blueprint of somebody else. But lock journeys, that's a real thing. You know, a journey with your hair. You know, after a certain time, it's like, damn, man, do I really want to keep it? Do I want to cut it? Do I want to change it? And you know, that's the point where we at right now. It's like, damn, you know. And excuse me if I say damn, if I curse or something like that, you know, I'm sorry. I'm trying to make my stuff a little bit more family oriented. I don't really want to curse so much, so excuse me. But you know, with your hair sometimes you just get tired of the same old thing, and then you want to try something different, you want to try something new. At least that's how I do it. You know, a lot of people are like that, like Chris Brown. You know, if you ever see Chris Brown, you can name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different looks of his. He never looks the same, you know, and I'm kind of like that to where, you know, I've done a bald head, you know, I've done dreads, I've done braids, I've done waves, I've done a fade, you know, I did it all. And at this point, high top fade, I've done it all, man. And I'm talking about since I was a kid. I've had hair on my head since I was a child, you know. So now it's just time to get right back into that journey, man. And it's starting it all on my own too, so that's another interesting step, another interesting thing, right? And I know I look crazy right now, but just listen to me, bear with me. You know, like, it's one thing to go to a shop and then you pay probably like, you know, $150 to $200, and you have somebody, you know, part your hair, twist it, and do all that. But when you can say you truly have a skill where you can do it all yourself, oh man, I think that's big. I think that's golden. And if y'all are out there trying to detangle your hair so you can go ahead and give yourself some locks of your own, or even maybe you have waves in your hair, or even maybe you're just trying to detangle that beard in the morning, what you need to do is click down in the description below and get yourself some Too Smooth beard and kink detangler. All you do, you spray this right here on the hair, and then see, look, I'm giving y'all all of the intangible ingredients right now for how to do it yourself before I even, you know what I mean, got to the tutorial. But you just spray that on there like that, and that's going to loosen up the hair, so you can detangle that, right? And it makes it a whole lot more easy and pliable to get through. And it's the same thing, hold on, it's the same thing for the beard. Shake that thing up, get them oils mixed up in there, spray that on the beard, and it makes it 10 times easier. Oh man, all that moisture, get that in there. Yep, massage it in. Get that in there. It makes it 10 times easier to go ahead and comb the beard out. Right? For a new, fresh look. Right? And that's what we're going for. So again, link down in the description below. There's a sale going on 2 bottles. You can get 2 bottles. That's a 2-month supply for the price just over 1. So click the link below and toosmoothselfcare.com, and I'll see y'all in the next clip. Let's go. I want to show y'all the process that I've been doing And you know, my last set of locks were actually kind of large. They were rather big. You know what I mean? This time around, I don't want big locks. I don't want big dreads, man. And that's another thing, another trend that's going on that people are doing. They're taking all of their dreads and they putting them into one. See, back in the G, that's what we used to call a bolo. So niggas would take all of their dreads and then boom, 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 put it up into a bunch of different sections and call it a bolo. And I remember I used to style my hair like that. I used to have girls take rubber bands and put them all around, you know, my dreads, like so as you can see on the screen, and make like a bolo. But, you know, honestly, that's not really my style. I ain't gonna be out here with the big chunks. That's weird. It's not weird, you know, to each his own, but to me, I ain't doing it. So I want a lot of locks this time around. So what I've been doing is I've been taking my hair out, I've been parting it rather evenly, if I do say so myself, right? Pretty damn even. And this right here, see, this can make two. Some of y'all looking at it might be like, oh, that's one, right? Nope. That's two. Part that like that. Boom. In fact, that's a little bit too small. Boom. Yeah, part that like that. Boom. Split that down into two right there. Boom. And I just have at it. Twisting it all the way down to the bottom. On my whole head, bro. And you know, this is something that I learned in middle school, man. When I was, you know, in 6th grade, 7th grade, you know, Mom Dukes, she got tired of doing my hair, so, you know, I ain't have no money in 6th grade, so I didn't go out anywhere and have anybody do my hair. I even learned how to cut my own hair, and I think I showed y'all that on my reels. Go ahead and follow Too Smooth Self Care on Instagram, and you can see on the reels where I cut my own hair, and I show y'all how I save thousands of dollars by doing that. Cut my own hair. And I encourage y'all to do the same. I encourage y'all to be out there, man. And, you know, you don't feel like paying anybody, you know, no hundreds of dollars, $50, $60, $70 to do your hair, twist your hair, nothing like that. Man, do it yourself. Do it yourself. That shit ain't hard, bro. I had somebody in the comment section that was like, bro, you did that because I could never do my own hair. Yeah, you could. You could do your own hair. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to. You'd rather pay somebody, but my God, you could do your own hair. That's what I see me doing. I'm doing that. And then basically what I do after I have 3 of these, I'll put them all into a braid. So then I have 3 2-strand twists in a braid. And that braid is going to have 3 locks. So each 2-strand twist equals 1 lock. And then each braid or each plait equals 3 locks. Please. So yeah, man, I'm gonna get busy doing this and turn my music back on. You know, I can't play too much music because then I get demonetized. But I'm gonna go ahead now, get to this, finish this up, and let y'all see the end results. Treasure One.
Ooh, yeah.
Watching that CJ so smooth, man. Shout out to Corey Pritchett. But yeah, man, your boy finished up. Man, damn, y'all. If I do say so myself, we back in business. I'm gonna leave these in for a long time. Let that joint lock up real nice. And then next thing you know, your boy gonna be out here with some locks. Yeah, buddy. Right back in the game like we never left, man. Matter of fact, right now I'm about to go ahead and get my shape up together, get my lineup together. What y'all really need to do, head over to twosmoothselfcare.com. The link is in the bio right now. Link below in the description. Go ahead, click that, and get yourself some kink and beard detangler. It's going to detangle that beard, make it nice and easy and malleable for you to get through those kinks. And you can detangle your hair if you're trying to do that too. So this is the stuff for you. No better product. Too Smooth Beard Kink Detangler. twosmoothselfcare.com. Link in the description. Right now, I'm about to go ahead and get this beard right. Go ahead and shave up the sides. Next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be looking real dapper.
You're rolling like I just popped that pill. Picture me rolling. Picture me rolling, whipping this bitch in slow motion. 20-inch rims and they stolen. Twisting and mixing them potion, yeah, sipping it slow. Thinking about you as I go. I can't be with you no more, no, I gotta get to them doors. This a message to the cold-hearted with them broken wings, I hope you fly, love. Looking past the pain and find love. It's okay for you to cry, love. My heart was broken out the blue, right, when I ain't know what else to do.
Yes, sir. You already see your boy looking hella sharp right now. Already got the length. That shit long. You already know your boy been growing it for about 2.5 years now. So the length is there, you know. And now it's time to lock that thing up. When that thing locked, the thing gonna fall. You already know how that thing go, you know what I mean? But now, man, I appreciate y'all for watching. Stay on this journey with me. New videos on the way. Matter of fact, I don't know if you saw the last video I posted, but you need to go check it out. It's this right here. Subscribe to the channel. Share this with somebody who needs to see it. Again, it's your boy TJ Too Smooth Treasure One, man. Who you know that's locking their own hair, just doing it like that? With that type of precision, that type of moisture, that type of length. Who you know doing that? Right. Too Smooth, TJ Too Smooth doing that. Click the link below. Get yourself some beard and kink detangling. Don't play with it. Subscribe to the channel. Again, it's your boy TJ Too Smooth Treasure One. And I'm going to see y'all in the next one. Go.